Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So this is going to be a 14-day earning update on my helium miner. And this is a Bobcat 300, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're here on my phone right now. We're going to open the app and I'll show you guys how much I'm earning, okay? So here's the app right here in the far right corner. Just going to click it, open it, wait for it to load. Here you go, Face ID, set up. So as you guys can see right there, it says evening. Your hotspot earned $2.83 on March 25th. Today's date is March 26th, 2022. That is today's date. So my miner is telling me how much I earned on March 25th for the day. I earned $2.83. That's pretty good. So in order for us to see how much we're earning, we're gonna go in the bottom corner right here where there's like two arrows pointing at each other. So we're gonna click that, and you can see on the top left corner right here, I made $26.02 in 14 days. My miner has been up and running for 14 days straight, so that's 2 weeks. So let's go to mining rewards. You can see how much I'm earning. So 4 hours ago I earned 12 cents, 5 hours ago I earned 10 cents, 7 cents, etc., etc. It just keeps going, keeps adding up. 2 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, 10 days, 11 days, 12, 13, 14 days. 14 days, there we go. So in total, that's how much I've made, 26.02. See, I'm just clicking through just to show you guys what other stuff there is on here. All activity. Okay, so also I'm going to show you guys how many people are mining in my hexagon. So you click the far left corner right here and you just click the name of your hotspot. Mine is Overt Navy Opossum. I did not select the name and I cannot change the name as well. That's just the name that they gave me for my server. So click that. Okay. And you can see it already selected my hexagon. And you can see there's 3 people on there. And if I click over here, there's 2 people there. I can see how much they're earning. They're only earning about 0.29 HNT per day. You can see right here in the bottom middle corner. So click mine, and we can even pull this up. This is how much we're earning. 14 days, 30 days. Okay. It's about 14 days right now, and you can see all my info right here. Overt Navy Opossum, Las Vegas. I'm located in Las Vegas, Nevada. And you see my miners online. And it's located, it says 1 meter. That's because it's located, well, I'm in a single story home, so it's located down here, and it's a 4 dBi Bobcat 300 helium miner. Okay, so we can press home, we can press search. See, and we can explore all the Bobcat miners here in Las Vegas. And as you can see over here, it says 17. That's not a good spot to put your miner on. Okay. So let's check. Let's see a spot where there's only 1. Let's click it. Let's see how much they're earning. All right, that one's not doing that good as well because it's only earning about 0.34. Let's go in the outskirts. Okay, this one needs attention. It's not up. That just means like it's probably not turned on, or there's something going on with their Wi-Fi connection. This one's online. This one's not doing too good also. So let's see. Let's click this one. Okay, this one's doing pretty good. 0.77 per day. It has a 5.8 dBi, and it's a smart mimic. I think that's like a different HNT miner. So that's it, guys. One more time, I'll show you guys how much I've earned. 26.02. Well, thank you guys for watching, and on the next video, I'll be making I'll actually do probably a 21-day update, and then the next one will be a 30-day update. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.